On Friday, April 13th, 2029, millions of people will look up at the night sky. They will see a bright star rapidly slicing through the darkness. But that's no star. It's a mountain of rock, a third of a mile wide, tearing through the void at 19 miles per second. Its name is Apophis. And just 2 decades ago, the world's brightest minds believed this stone would bring the apocalypse. When astronomers first calculated its orbit in 2004, the math made the scientific world hold its breath. Imagine a structure the size of the Empire State Building, weighing tens of millions of tons, plunging into the planet from deep space. The kinetic energy of that impact would exceed 1,000 megatons. That is dozens of times more powerful than the most destructive weapon ever created. But thanks to years of precise observations, we can exhale. There will be no collision. However, what will happen in 2029 will forever change our understanding of the universe. Apophis will pierce our orbital space at a distance of just 19,000 miles. It will fly directly underneath our ring of geostationary satellites. That is 10 times closer than the Moon. And Earth won't just sit there and watch. You see, scientists suspect Apophis isn't a solid piece of rock. Radar data suggests it's likely a colossal rubble pile, barely held together by its own weak gravity. And this flyby is exactly how we'll uncover its secret. As the asteroid plunges into Earth's gravitational well, invisible tidal forces will test its structural limits. If the theory is right, asteroid quakes will ripple across its surface. Boulders the size of houses will shift and crumble, exposing materials that haven't seen the light of day for billions of years. It will be a live dissection of a primordial world happening right above our heads. The dinosaurs had one fatal flaw. They didn't have a space program. We do. We have already proven that we can physically move a monolithic asteroid by crashing a probe into it. But striking a loose pile of rocks like Apophis is dangerous. A kinetic impact could turn a single bullet into a cloud of deadly cosmic shrapnel. That's exactly why NASA spacecraft are already preparing to meet it in orbit. We need to study its density and its vulnerabilities. We need to learn how to move mountains without breaking them. This rock has drifted through the dark for over 4 billion years. But when it draws a glowing line across our sky, it won't be a sign of the end. It will be a triumph. We are no longer frightened creatures staring up at the dark. We measure, we learn, and we are ready to protect